Hello everyone. I am prepping for a meal. I'm actually going to cook the meal in another video. I'm not going to do it. The girl's going to do it. I'm just getting the stuff out for her. Alright? And I'm going to show you what we're doing here. Okay, I'm sorry if the truck shakes a little bit. I'm in the process of being unloaded. Now, I'm going to cook this. This is going to be cooked in the AROMA pressure cooker. This is in here to keep it from rattling in movement. But I'm going to use the AROMA pressure cooker. I know that variety is the spice of life, right? That's why God made spices. But anyway, to have a bunch of different food on the truck is just not feasible. You can stop every couple of days and buy something new. So I find it much simpler to go with tried and true old standbys time and time again. So today, where is my food? Today we are going to be cooking wild salmon. I would have preferred trout, but you can't always get trout. Always go with the wild salmon because the PCBs and such in the domestically raised salmon are very high. It's not like that in all fish, but it is in the salmon. So we're going to have salmon. Like to have fish once a week. Fish ain't meat in my book, but it's got some good protein content. What are you looking at, girl? Look at her over there.
A pail on there.
Oh,
like
she's all washed out. She's a ghost. Hey, girl. So anyway, we got some Brussels sprouts. Green vegetables are good for you, driver. They are good for you, and you should eat them. It's hard to stay away from candy and the snacks everybody pushes on you. But it's not their fault. It's not America's fault. If you're a fat ass, eat your green vegetables. Now, I'm a fat ass, so don't take offense. And think about this. You have to stop the syndrome somewhere. So stop it today. Just stop it today and you'll live longer. And I want you to live a long time. Get you some green vegetables. Alright? Try to stay away from the carbs late in the day. I like carbs for breakfast, but not late in the day. So I've got actually four small potatoes here that I quartered up into little pieces. And that's a little bit too much, actually. Baby, give me one of those orange potatoes up there. All right. I have some garlic seasoning and some Himalayan sea salt. All right. You do not want to use regular salt anymore. Salt is great, but it's crystallized, and it's actually like glass. That's where your high cholesterol comes from, because that salt that they tell you shouldn't eat cuts the insides of your veins and arteries, and cholesterol builds up in those spots to protect you, and then you get platelet buildup, which turns into cholesterol. See that sweet potato? The girl just might cook some up after dinner. Just throw them in this AROMA pot cooker and steam them for a few minutes, and then take them out, mash them up with a little honey, and you've got a dessert if you so desire. I personally just like to eat the sweet potato raw. I just peel it and eat it like an apple. Most people can't do that, but I'm kind of sick. But they're good cooked too. So that's going to be our dinner. And I will bring it back to you after it's done. Alright? Catch you in a little bit.
Okay, guys. Our fish should be done. I'm going to plug this thing first. Let's see if there's steam. Oh, no steam. It's been sitting for a few minutes. Ooh, there's some steam. There's our fish and Brussels sprouts. If I can get it out of here. Ow, ow, it's hot. Well, he's just a genius. He gave me a fork to help with my spoon so I don't burn my finger now. Oh, this one came out pretty good. Okay. Well, it's not plated the prettiest, but there it is. Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and salmon. Yummy. Is this a manly enough meal for you?
I think that'll do it. It'll make me smile. I love you. Bye-bye.